Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us now study the tangent-secant segments theorem. What is this tangent-secant segments theorem? It states that if point E is in the exterior of a circle, then a secant through E intersects the circle at points A and B. Can you see in the diagram? From E, a line EB is drawn, cutting the circle at A and B, respectively. And also a tangent is drawn from E, touching the circle at point T. Then we can say EA into EB is equal to ET square. That's right. Then this is known as the tangent-secant segments theorem. There is a tangent, there is a secant, and we are talking about the line segment EA, EB, ET. That's right. So the rule is EA into EB is equal to ET square. That is product of the distances of exterior point from the two intersecting points of the secant is equal to the length of the tangent segments from point of contact till the exterior point, the length square. Alright, let us try to prove it. We have done a construction. We have joined segment AT and TB. Then, in the two triangles, look at the diagram, students. Triangle EAT and triangle ETB, the biggest triangle. Yes, we are focusing on the small triangle on the left, EAT, and the big triangle from ETB. Then, in these two triangles, we have angle AET, which is of the smaller triangle, and angle TEB of the bigger triangle. Students, they are the same angle, common angle. Also, angle ETA, focus on the angle ETA and the angle EBT. That is the angle between the tangent ET and secant TA is equal to the inscribed angle EBT. How? Tangent-secant theorem. That's right. So, we have proved two pair of congruent angle exist for the given two triangles. Therefore, the two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Triangle EAT similar to triangle ETB. Then we can write the ratio of corresponding sides as ET upon EB is equal to EA upon ET. Simple. Cross multiply. We get EA into EB will be equal to ET square. Isn't that what we were looking for? That's exactly what we had to prove. Alright, so that was the proof for the tangent-secant segments theorem.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.